New Mexico Real Estate Basics, page 7. Points. Signed by the applicant's previous brokers. Any qualifying broker who wishes to employ associate brokers must have at least 4 years active license experience. Finally, an out-of-state broker may provide documented current licensure as a real estate broker in another state for at least 2 years. This candidate must have completed 120 hours of classroom instruction in approved real estate courses. A current license history from the other state's licensing agency is required. All qualifying brokers are also required to complete a minimum 4-hour qualifying broker refresher course every 3 years as a condition of license renewal. Who administers the real estate exam? The computerized examination is designed to establish the competency of the applicant to protect the interests of the public. A NMREC contracted provider conducts the real estate examination. This provider offers computerized testing through a network of testing centers. The test is made up of 130 items, 40 relating to New Mexico laws, rules, and regulations, and 90 pertinent to general real estate principles and practices. Candidates must score at least 75% on each portion within 3 hours. Who pays for the exam? The candidate pays the examination fee directly to NMREC. NMREC establishes the examination fees. May a candidate who fails the exam retake it? A person who fails to pass either portion of the real estate exam is allowed to immediately retake the failed portion by telephoning or filing a new registration form with the testing service and paying the examination fee. There is no limit to the number of times the applicant may take the exam. The retake fee is $95 for either or both parts of the exam, and all candidates must pass both parts of the exam within 90 days. What is the next step after the candidate passes the exam? Upon successful completion of the exam, the applicant receives a passing notice and the NMREC approved application at the test site. Candidates who pass the exam must file for a license with the NMREC within 6 months. Otherwise, the passing test results are nullified and the exam must be retaken. An extension may be granted because of military service or extenuating circumstances. In addition to the completed application form, the application package to NMREC must include the following: qualifying broker signed application, copy of fingerprint certification form, the passing notice, proof of the required education, compliance with mandatory errors and omissions insurance, recommendations from 2 reputable citizens, appropriate licensure fee,